I'm Froggy.
I'm Little Froggy.
And we are at Toy Fair 2019, getting ready to see what's new from Hasbro. Disney Princess Fashion Dolls. The Royal Shimmer collection will feature sculpted tops with glitter and skirts with elastic waistbands. These can be found in stores now, and Moana will be joining the group this fall. I can see some really fun play sets here. We have a little oven with a pie. It's very, very princessy, and a vanity with a lot of sculpted details. Ariel has her own vanity. Jasmine can be found with more fashion options, as well as Cinderella. The Rainbow Style Rapunzel has hair play where you can change her hair color, and the shimmering song Rapunzel sings. The Little Mermaid turns 30 this year, so to celebrate, Ariel and her sisters will be offered in a combo pack, and you'll also be able to find the Sparkling Lagoon playset, which has Atlantis. There are a lot of Disney Princess surprise boxes. This spring, we will see the Storybook collection, which has a lot of guys, and in the fall, we will see the Celebration collection with some of our favorite Disney princesses glitterfied. Here is the Disney Princess Royal Clips collection, where their fashion just clips on. And I see some play sets, which are always a lot of fun. Wreck-It Ralph breaks the internet, Disney princesses. Our favorite Disney princesses are rocking that casual style. In 10 to 12 inch dolls with removable fashion, and they do look fully articulated. You can get the 2-pack for $29.99, or get the giant pack with 14 dolls for $199.99. And you can pre-order these now at Hasbro Pulse. I know what I'm doing tonight. Disney Princess Comics will have blind boxes with 2-inch minifigures. Look at these facial expressions. These will be available this fall, and there are 12 to collect. Look at these. They got villains. The villains will be available in a visual 3-pack.
Disney Descendants 3 airs on Disney Channel summer 2019. And this fall, the dolls will hit the shelves. Evie, Mal, and Uma wearing some new fashion. And there will be a surprise character coming out as well. There is a royal couple engagement set, Dragon Queen Mal with wings, Celia, the daughter of Falsier, and you know we love Disney. And there will also be fashion packs with reusable hangers.
I am very excited to see all of this in stores for 2019.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye!